Okay, today we'll discuss some important questions. Our first question will be an organic compound on complete combustion give 44 grams CO2 and 18 gram water. If initially 30 gram of organic compound was present, determine empirical formula. Okay, our options are CH2O, CHO, C2 is 6, and none of the above. Now, these questions are mainly asked in competitive exams like JEE. So, in order to solve these questions, we need to consider the C. Carbon dioxide is formed. Okay, since carbon dioxide is formed on complete combustion. Combustion means what? We have to burn in presence of oxygen. So naturally here will be present oxygen, which will be from atmosphere, and carbon will come from where? From our compound. Okay. Then we need to balance this reaction, which is naturally balanced. Okay. Here in the question we are given with 44 gram CO2. Now from our earlier classes we know that whenever mass is given, okay, so in order to calculate the moles, what we do, given mass by molar mass, given mass is 44 gram thick, and what is the molecular mass of CO2? It will be 12 plus 32, so it will be 44 gram per mole. So we are given with 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So naturally, since 1 mole of carbon dioxide is present, so 1 mole of organic means carbon is also present. Okay, so number of moles of CO2 will be number of moles of carbon is equal to 1. Is everything clear up to this? Now if we consider what will be the mass of carbon in our compound, mass of carbon what will be? We know that mole equal to mass by molar mass. We need to calculate the mass, so it will multiply moles and molar mass. What is the number of moles of carbon? Yes, it is 1 into what is the molar mass? Oh, atomic mass of carbon into 12. So in our compound there is 12 gram of carbon. Okay, now water is also formed, isn't it? H2O on combustion. Okay, so to form water we need H2, isn't it? Yes or no? Now we need to balance the reaction. See, H2, H2, it is balanced. But oxygen here we have 1 atom, here 2 atoms. So we multiply half, isn't it? Now similarly we will calculate the number of moles of water. Number of moles of water. What will be mass by molar mass? What is our given mass? 18 gram. What is the molar mass, molecular mass of water? 18 gram per mole. It will be 1 mole. Okay. So see, here stoichiometric coefficient is 1, here also 1. So number of moles of H2 will be 1. So what will be mass of hydrogen? It will be 1 into 2 gram. But if we add the mass of carbon, mass of hydrogen, we get how much? 12 gram plus 2 gram. What will it be? It will be 14 gram. Now the question arises, from where the remaining 16 gram comes? I have told in earlier classes that if in a question some percentages are given, and if we add up and don't get 100%, then the remaining percentage will be made up by what? Which element? It will be made up by oxygen itself. Okay, so what will be the mass of oxygen? What will be the mass of oxygen? We have total 30 minus 12 minus 2. Is it clear? 30 is total. Mass of carbon is 12 gram and mass of hydrogen is 1 gram. So it will be 16 gram. Okay. Now we need to calculate the ratio. What is the number of moles of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen? What is the number of moles of carbon? It is 1. What is the number of moles of oxygen? It will be 1. Okay, what is the number of moles of hydrogen? Don't write here, don't put 1 here, because it is a number of moles of H2. What will be number of moles of H? It will be 2. Since in one H2 molecule there are 2 hydrogen atoms. Okay, so what will be our empirical formula? CH2O. Is everything clear up to this? Now let us solve another questions related to water of crystallization. Okay, a hydrate of iron thiocyanate, that is FeSCN3 dot X water, was found to contain 19% water, isn't it? What is the molecular formula? Of hydrate? So to calculate the molecular formula of hydrate, we need to find the value of what? We need to find the value of X. Is it clear? Okay. What is the weight percent of water? Tell me, is it 19%? Yes. Okay. In the top, we have learned the formula of mass percentage composition. Here we'll keep the mass of water and here we'll keep the mass of total organic compound. Okay. What is the mass of water? 18. How many water are there? It is X, so it will be 18X. Okay. Now we'll move on. Fe, what is the atomic mass of Fe? It is 56. Okay. Now let's break SCl. Okay, what is S? Sulfur. It will be 32. What is C? 12. What will be the mass of nitrogen? 14. Since there are present 3 units of essence, so I multiply by 3 plus 18x. Okay, into 100. It will be 18x. Okay, 56 plus 32 plus 12, 44. 44 plus 14, 58. 58 3 ja 4, carry 2, 3 ja 15, 174. 174 plus 18x into 100. 18x by 56 plus 170. Sorry. It will be 230 plus 18x into 100. Now if we cross multiply, what we will get? 1918 ja 342x plus 230 19 ja 4370, and it will be 1800x. Now we'll transpose x into that side. What will it will be? 1558x 4370. See, now we need to check the nearest whole number. See, so it just okay one. It is, since it is more than 2, okay, we'll assume it to be 3. So what will be the molecular formula of hydrate? So in this way, for a hydrate we calculate the molecular formula. Okay, note these questions in your notebook. What we have learned today in this video: first, here in this question we have applied the concept of percentage composition. If we need to calculate the percentage composition of an element, in the top, in the numerator, what we keep? We keep the mass of that element. Here, since we need to calculate the weight percent of water, we in the top we have kept the mass of water. And what we have kept at the bottom? In the bottom we have kept the total mass of the compound. And in this question, this type of questions are basically asked at competitive exams as MCQs. Hope you have understood these questions. Thank you.